Hi, it's Myriam, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a proper wharapu. Before we move on, I do have a YouTube membership where you can learn more Tahitian with me, including some choreography. So let's get started. First, we start with our foundation. We want to make sure that your feet are slightly pointing outwards. Of course, when you're doing wharapu, sometimes you have one leg behind, sometimes you're walking, sometimes your legs are a little bit spread, but right now, for the purposes of just teaching you how to do it, basics, you want to keep your toes slightly open. Now, some teachers, or you may see it with your feet together. If this is your preference, then do this. The way that I teach it is with the toes slightly open so that you have some room in your knees. Sometimes when your feet are completely straight, your knees will be rubbing against each other, and that can make it uncomfortable, and it will also close a little bit your hip bone, like over here. So I like to open it a little bit. I have been teaching yoga for over 20 years, and I learned this from my kumu as well. Just toes slightly open. And we try to keep our heels together for stability, as doing your wharapu right here, right? Of course, as I say, if you're dancing, your legs are going to be a little bit separate, but for now, this will be your foundation. Your knees are going to be soft, but not super bent. If you do super bent and then you try to do your wharapu, you're going to be wobbling a lot. There's no need for that, especially if you're going into speed. If you're doing just like an ami, a tumami, you are going slow, then of course you want to bend deeper, because that's going to create a really wide circle. If you're doing an ope, you want to bend deeper. But for a wharapu, no, you don't want to bend super deep. You just want to bend your knees just enough. Now, this is the core part from your hips area, right? So we got to think of the muscles that are attached to this, and it's the front muscles, the side muscles, and the back muscles. The majority of people make the mistake of focusing on the back muscles and on lifting their butt when it comes to a wharapu. So they focus on the back and try to do this. So if you're focusing on your back, it's wrong, and you're gonna wobble a lot, because the secret of your wharapu lays on your belly muscles, like on your abs. So it's on the tucking that is the secret of a good wharapu. Tuck, 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 tuck. So your hips will lift back too, but not as much, especially as you practice and you gain speed. So we're gonna think of 4 areas: the front, one side, your back, and the other side. And we begin with the foot position that I told you. We bend slightly and we tuck. Now the rest of your body, like your upper body, you don't want to overarch your spine. You just want to keep a neutral spine. You're straight, but you are not overarching. And we're not overarching. If you overarch, you automatically force the hip to stay open. So it's also going to be very hard for you to tuck forward and to keep straight here. So that's why neutral rib cage, and we tuck. We begin by tucking, so your abdominal muscles are activated. Now we're going to be transferring the weight to the back foot. We shift, but we're still tucking, and the knee is soft. Now we release the tuck. We release, just normal. We don't overly pull back. Like, you shouldn't feel your low back straining. It's just a regular, like, more natural release and pull back, but not overly stretching, okay? Now, keeping this loose, like relax, you're going to transfer the weight to the other side, and then you repeat. So you tuck back in, you keep it tucked, you shift, you release, shift side, tuck in, shift, release, shift, tuck, shift, release. and you begin to smooth out. Right, I'm going to show you facing forward. So we start here, shift your weight to one side, tuck forward, shift the weight, keeping it tuck, release. Now as it is released, shift the weight, tuck forward, shift, keeping the tuck, release. With your back, relax, shift, and now you smooth out. You smooth out. So if you're doing this correctly, you are going to feel it in your abs. Right? I'm going to come a little forward here. You're going to feel it in your abdominal muscles, not in your lower back. I'm going to show you facing the back now. So same thing here. You start on one side, tuck in, keep the tuck, shift, release, shift, tuck, hold the tuck, shift, lift, and shift. And now you smooth that out. But again, the main focus is on tucking and pulling with your abdominal muscles here. It's not on pushing back. That will be wrong. Okay? So let's do it here a little bit closer. Let's start doing those abdominal. Let's actually keep your hands here. Just open your palms, relax your shoulders. So we're not lifting up. And just begin here slow. Tuck, tuck, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's give it a try to the other side. If you think it's difficult, then just do the same side. But it's good for your muscles to work them even if when you actually are doing your wharapu, you're using your good side. But it's good that you practice to both so that you are not pulling more muscles on one side than the other. So let's try the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do on this side. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. Focus on your abs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shift sides of your circle direction. 1, 2. Keep tucking. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to face the back. So let's do it. Starting on one side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shift side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we're gonna go at a little faster rate so that you practice a little faster. But before I go into the faster speed, let me tell you, a fast wharapu is not a ruru, okay? Because a lot of people confuse the ruru as like a chimi. It's a shaking of the hips, and this is different, right? And I'm telling you because when I had my dance studio, most of my students wanted to try so hard that they would end up shaking, but that is not the same as a wharapu. Okay, the movement is not the same. So just you're probably like really eager to go fast, but that only comes with practice. So don't try to fake it, because then the foundation is going to be wrong and you're never going to get a good wharapu. The other thing is, it's also not a shake side to side. Okay, some people think that it's just a side to side. Obviously, this is not the same as this. Yeah, completely different. It's not side to side. It's a circle. Okay, all right. So let's do it a little bit faster. And a faster pace, same thing to both sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn this way. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shift. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. All right, take a deep breath. Okay, now we're gonna do 16, and we're gonna go to fastest speed. If you want to continue doing like a little bit less speed, that's fine. Do your own pace. But here we're gonna go for 16. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. Summer started here in Arizona, and I'm super hot right now. All right. We're gonna do 16 on each side, also on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Breathe in. So here, facing back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in. All right, let's do a little bit of stretching. Pick up your knee up. I'm gonna move out of the mirror in case that you can see my underwear. Let's do the other side. Just a little bit of stretching. Okay, grab your leg in the back. You can hold it in the wall if you need to. You can stretch it back. And let's do the other side. Take deep, deep breaths. Stretching back. Stretching to the side. And let's do the other side. Okay, breathe in. And we're done. Just keep practicing, and don't forget, practice at your own pace. That's the way that you can move faster instead of trying to go super fast without having a good foundation. See you guys on the next video. Bye.